I'm standing next to equipment that most people have never seen on a playground. Not every kid gets to engage by running and climbing. Some kids need something different. This video is about what that looks like and why it matters. Most playgrounds are designed for gross motor activity. What does that mean? It means climbing, sliding, swinging, running. It works for a lot of kids. But for children with autism or other sensory processing differences, those activities may not be accessible or engaging. These kids need to use their hands. They need to feel, they need to touch, they need to see. They need to be up close with something at an individual level. Standard equipment doesn't offer that.
Kids with exceptional disabilities have been super excited to be out here and be able to be on the equipment and access that.
Let me show you what's here. Southview Elementary installed 6 pieces of sensory-specific equipment. Standing drum quintet, which is behind me, percussion instruments, kids can feel the vibration through their hands, talk tubes, tubes that carry a child's voice and return it, Plinko panels, a tactile ball drop mechanism, bubble wall climbers, a transparent climbing surface with visual and tactile elements, a ball maze panel for guided manipulation, and flower collection with tactile spinning elements. There's a lot going on here. Each of these provides individual level engagement. A child will interact at their own pace, at close range, without needing to run or climb. And that's the design intent. And here's the thing most people miss. Every kid loves this equipment. The drums are popular across all ages. The talk tubes are universally fascinating. They're designed for some, loved by all. And here's the thing. Most schools don't know this equipment even exists. They know about adaptive swing seats because they've seen them. But they don't know about wheelchair scaling ladders, sensory drum sets, tactile panels. Schools have no idea. So the gap isn't the budget, it's not the space, it's knowledge. It takes someone who knows these products are available and understands why they matter for a specific population. That's where the team makes the difference. I'm not a therapist, and I'm not gonna pretend I understand every diagnosis, but I know what I see when I'm on a playground like this. Kids light up when they find the piece that works for them, and every other kid on the playground uses it too. Designed for some, loved by all, that's really what inclusive means.